Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up your microphone on Twitch. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, if you're not streaming using OBS, I don't know what you're doing because you're missing out. Streamlabs is also good enough. However, OBS is the best because it uses the least amount of resources in order to stream. I've made many videos on how you can set up Twitch and OBS. If you haven't watched that already, simply go ahead and watch it, or I'm just going to go ahead and show you very simply. So all you need to do is go to Twitch TV, make sure that you're logged in, go to your creator dashboard, and once you're in there, all you want to do is go to Stream Manager, right? Go ahead into settings, stream, primary stream key, just copy that and go ahead into your OBS, go to file, go to settings and go to stream, and finally go ahead and paste your stream key here, select the nearest server to you, click on apply and click on OK. So that is about it. Now in order for you to go ahead and set up your microphone, all you need to really do is just click on this plus icon on one of your scenes and simply go ahead and click on audio input capture, just like that. And you can simply go ahead and click on add existing. It will show you your microphone or aux that is available, or you could also click on create new and go ahead and select your device just like that and click on OK. As you can see, audio input capture is right over there and is working now. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.